On April 25th, Urban Airport and Supernal unveiled the Air 1 in the United Kingdom. The Air 1 is a proprietary deployable operations hub that could provide quick multimodal infrastructure for eVTOLs and other passenger travel. Think a small turnkey airport, or, as they call it, a vertiport. Unfortunately, this one is for viewing purposes only, though they do plan to hold drone demos to show off potential scenarios as to how it could be used for advanced air mobility. The Air 1 is a 17,000 square foot circular structure built in just 11 weeks and designed to serve 4 markets: passenger air taxis, autonomous delivery drones, disaster emergency management and defense operations, and logistics. The vertiport has zones to serve these various purposes. So it has a passenger lounge, security screening, cafe, and retail space, as well as a cargo logistics hub, electric and hydrogen air vehicle hangar, passenger taxi processing, and a control center. In the middle of vertiport is a 56-foot vertical final approach and takeoff platform that raises 19 feet into the sky using a small link lift system for takeoffs and landings. Supernal, a part of Hyundai Motor Group, is currently developing an eVTOL vehicle prototype, the SA-1, which is on display in the vehicle hangar. According to Mike Whitaker, Chief Commercial Officer of Supernal, no single mode of transportation, current or future, can solve traffic and congestion challenges. The Air 1 is located about 2 blocks from the city's main rail and bus stations to show off how these prefab structures can advance multimodal travel. Along with the drone shows, the mini airport also has EVs connected to chargers that are powered by off-grid hydrogen fuel cells. Ricky Sandhu, founder and executive chairman of Urban Airport, called the opening of Air 1 the starting gun for a new age of transport. He foresees an age of zero-emission, low-congestion travel between and within cities. Supernal is developing a family of electric air vehicles and plans to launch commercial service with its first eVTOL in 2028. The company hopes to leverage Hyundai's manufacturing expertise to scale electric air vehicle production once it's ready. The vertiport in the UK will provide a blueprint for the more than 200 structures scheduled to open over the next 5 years around the globe. The vertiport is open for public visitation in Coventry until May 15th and will be redeployed in additional cities later this year to highlight the future of advanced air mobility. I'm David Manti. This is IN Now.